You've researched your audience, created mind-blowing website, and now you're ready to launch your digital campaign. However, all your efforts will be wasted if you don't have a robust analytics system in place right from the start. Today I'll explain how you can leverage the power of analytics, in particular, Google Analytics, to maximize your earning potential and stay ahead of the game. There are no exceptions here. It's a useful and important tool for every website owner. One of the first things we recommend website owners do when launching a new site is get tracking set up for Google Analytics. So, let's see how you can connect your website with Google Analytics, but first don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. So now log into your profile, then go to My Products page. Here you will find all the products you have purchased from the Bridge Advertising Agency, including your domain, website builder, and any extra products such as hostings, emails, and email marketing. Just go to your website builder and click Manage. Here is the website that we have built in our previous video, and from here you can directly publish blog posts, manage your online appointments, and use your AI SEO tool to rank higher on Google search engine. Just click on Edit Website, then go to your website settings. Now go to Google Analytics. In order to connect your website with Google Analytics, you only need to get your measurement ID or tracking ID and paste it here. So now I'll create a new Google Analytics account by clicking on this link. Now click Start for free. After signing in with your Gmail, just click Start Measuring. Then write your account ID. I'll write Bridge Web Builder. Check all data sharing settings, and click Next. Then write your property name, and set up reporting time zone and currency settings. Then click on Show Advanced Settings, check Create a Universal Analytics Property and click Next. Now just add your business information. You will only choose your industry category, business size, and what do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. Then click Create. Then just accept Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement, and the additional terms applicable to data shared with Google. Now just copy your measurement ID and paste it here, then click Done. Now you have successfully connected your website with Google Analytics. When you log into your Google Analytics account, you will find all the data you need to know about your website visitors. Thank you for watching our video. If you have liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. In the next video I'll explain how to install Facebook Pixel on your website. Let's go and see how our AI web builder made it so easy for you.